on our way to go surf. All right, we just pulled up to the spot Thai Bean to get a little coffee and pre-surf food. Awesome, thank you. We got our breakfast burrito. Delicious. Okay, walking up now, got my espresso. Pretty nice beach access here. Should be some waves over there. Oh, oh, yeah. All right, we need to go get our board. It looks pretty fun. You. So nice out here.
Very big. Back.
Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Yeah. Yeah, Kato! You! Yeah, Kato! Yeah, right. Woo! Yeah, Ray. You. Yeah. Rudolph, thanks for letting me try that. That was great. That was great. Nick. Yeah.
Cool, man. See you around, man.
See you around, Rudolph. Take care. All right, we're back at the produce stand. Just wanted to get Popsicle. Post surf Popsicle. Sounds pretty refreshing right now.
What can I get you, El Rolo?
I'm just getting this Popsicle here.
What flavor did you get?
Butter pecan.
God, I'm gonna go try one of those.
You gotta try one. It hits the spot.
Hey, white butter pecan?
Yeah, I think so. What do you think? Is it pretty good?
Yeah, it tastes like butter pecan.
I think it's good. Alrighty, thank you. People are awesome. Davis Produce. Epic spot. So she did her Popsicle review, I need to do mine. That's so good. So cold. I'm giving this a 9. No, that's too much. I'm giving this an 8.7. Solid Popsicle. Alright guys, I'm riding out here with my Popsicle. That's a wrap for today. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you the next one. You!